Many of us now understand that the future well-being of our species is likely to depend on our ability to coexist harmoniously with our planet's natural living systems. And that includes working more creatively with the enormous intelligence of this microbial world. Living bacterial cultures have been used in brewing and fermentation for centuries. And now, new microbial sciences are changing the way we manage our health and our environments. By introducing an optimal combination of beneficial microbe populations in carefully managed systems, microbial balancing technologies, or MBT, can rapidly restore a natural, healthy, and protective balance to our bodies, buildings, water, and land. So how does microbial balancing technology, more commonly known as MBT, work? MBT formulations uniquely contain a specially balanced population of 3 types of microbe, which work cooperatively together to build a highly productive and self-supporting community. Photosynthetic bacteria are the community's super microbial agents. They photosynthesize in the dark, pulling in CO2 from the atmosphere, and miraculously creating water and many other useful substances in the soil. Lactic acid bacteria are strong sterilizing bacteria, suppressing harmful microorganisms and helping the breakdown of organic matter. When activated with warmth, water, and sugar, yeasts become the most important continuous food source for the community, synthesizing antimicrobial substances and promoting healthy growth. Carefully balanced proportions of these 3 microbial types create stable, healthy, living biology in bottled formulations that can dynamically restore the natural microbial health of almost any physical environment. MBT formulations are healthy, natural, highly effective alternatives to chemical ingredients, and are now being used in skincare, human probiotics, household and professional cleaning products. They are already well established and widely used in agriculture and applied to water, soil and animal feed treatments, enabling farmers to build up their soil health and grow more nutritious food crops, with higher profits and significantly less chemicals. Chemical pesticides are one of the ways in which we have learned to kill pathogenic and unwelcome bacteria. A well-intentioned but potentially suicidal attempt to protect our agricultural land. And since intensive farming began on an industrial scale, we've soaked our soils in inorganic chemical fertilizers to grow cheap, plentiful food. We are only just beginning to understand how these have disrupted the natural nutrient and mineral cycles of the Earth, exhausting and suppressing our soil's own intelligent biology and reducing the natural pathogenic resistance of plants. As the health of our base resource diminishes, we find ourselves dependent on increasingly expensive oil-based fertilizers. But despite these continual inputs, yields and food production are falling in many parts of the world. More land is becoming unproductive, and for many, farming has become environmentally and economically unsustainable. Intensive farming practices are systematically depleting rather than replenishing our most important natural asset. They are literally costing the Earth. What we need now is a new kind of investment in our most important base resource, the soil. If you're a farmer wanting to improve your soil health and yield, and reduce your costs and chemical footprint, MBT is a simple, inexpensive alternative to conventional fertilizers that can be sprayed or drilled directly onto the soil and used as a foliate, crop or animal feed treatment. Teeming with beneficial microbes that work together to introduce new life to the soil or plant, MBT also catalyses and activates other organisms, pulling in trace elements like nitrogen, phosphorus and carbon to build healthy, biologically enriched soil structures and more resilient plants. MBT literally stabilizes and revitalizes soil, plant and animal health at a grassroots level. By significantly improving soil health and crop yields, and reducing the need for expensive chemicals, MBT offers farmers new hope for a more sustainable future and a healthier, happier and more profitable relationship with their land. If you want to find out more about MBT, visit our website for details of our Regeneration DVD, partners, news and events.